Hi guys, today sagutin lang natin yung mga questions dito. Nakabot pa rin ba ako or nag-set up na lang ba ako ng bot at wala na bang manual trading? So as of now guys, ayan, makikita nyo meron tayo ditong positions for hype. So we have profits na around 32,173. So gumagalaw yan dahil naka-open positions yan. And if ever na bumagsak, we have SL naman dyan. So tabi muna natin itong grass. So dito guys, no, meron pa rin akong manual kasi if makita tayo ng bias sa price action as well as kung ano yung narrative, I will just contest yung probabilities guys, no. Again, it's only a probabilities. So discuss lang natin ito why I contested. But before we start guys, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin and turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. No? So running itong pinaka-setups na ito. Papakita ko din dito guys yung mga loss natin dahil we have some losses din dito. So may mga nagtatanong bakit naka-setup ako ng bots. So yung bots naman kasi is other strategy yon, especially kapag busy tayo. And dito sa manual trading, ito is more of like biases, no, narrative, and then meron kasamang risk management dito. So as we observe guys, we contested itong si Hype, no. So gamit lang natin dito is 67 USDT. May mga narrative kasi for the past couple of days, especially sa mga perp dex na sector, dahil yan yung walang mga KYC and nagkaroon na rin sila ng integration sa mga stocks, no. So nag-tokenize na rin sila. So isa ito sa mga factors bakit umakyat itong si Hype. Other than that, yung mga breakout sa price action, we can check dito sa kanyang chart. Ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-entry ko. And then, we observe some breakout within this zone. That's why we contested. So, this is on the daily. I think, yung all-time high na ito, nag-62 na. Previously, 59 lang. If we can check sa maybe weekly. Ayan. So, nandyan siya ngayon sa kanyang pinaka-previous highs, no? Sa resistance niya before. So we can see some breakout kasi, like for example this one. So once na mabasag yan, there's a high probability na mag-continuation. So for technicals, no. So other than that, we have negative dito. We have some setups as well for this one. Again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, no, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. I just want to share my experience. This is only for educational. And hopefully you get some updates at sana nasagot ko yung mga questions ninyo dito guys, no? So as you can see, meron tayong mga SL dyan. Meron na ring SpaceX ito. So add lang dito, I think yesterday, sa app na ito. You can also explore this app guys. Yung official global link ng app na ito ay nasa description naman ng video na ito. You can just check, no, if you're interested. So I have Job as well. So negative yan. SL naman nakalagay. So Ondo, matagal ko na itong nadidiscuss dahil we can see tokenizing stocks sa crypto. So isa sa mga tokens ito or isa sa mga project, no. So Aster as well, we have some SL, if I'm not mistaken. We can set SL dito pala kay Aster. So check lang natin yung price. So good thing dito, we can like set SL, like something like that, confirm, and punta tayo sa 1 hour para mas makita. Set tayo ng SL siguro. So check lang natin at or click lang and then set SL. Maybe ayan, negative 18. I will get stop out. So let's go back and let's go back here. So yun guys, no, pwede pa rin kayo mag-join sa ating Discord. So we have some discussions dyan. Ayan, feel free to comment Discord as well. And pwede rin nyo rin i-check sa description ng video na ito. So yun lang guys, no? And hope I answer your feedbacks and questions dito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.